All right, welcome to devlog number 2. So in the last one, I guess I just kind of introduced the basics of this project. My app recipe, people, you can post your recipes, and I was working on the meal planner section, and I've made a bit of progress. Now you can actually add, this is some dummy data, but you can add different recipes to days, and you can see in the structure they get stored here. I'm just sending in fake info, only carrying over the name ref. But these like little objects I've created, they represent like a single week. So basically like a calendar week. And I'm like reflecting that. So basically when you hit the page like this, you're going to see, it's not gonna have to do multiple calls, to check like what's in here. It's just got a structure, so you're instantly gonna be able to see every day and all of its all the recipes that you've saved for that day. And I'm actually not even gonna bring this. I'm not gonna bring this stuff in. I'm just trying to decide how you go from actually, say you land on a recipe and the recipe, well, this isn't a bad one, but the recipe has a list of ingredients. And so when you go and you save the recipe, you're actually storing I'm going to need to make it so you store the ingredients as well in the meal planner. The ingredients will come along with it, but it's not necessary. You're only actually going to need it for the shopping list. And so right now, I'm cleaning up the code. You can only, I really need to clean things up. This function or this component is just like growing out of control. So I've got to fix that up or clean it up, and yeah, so get everything working so I can get to actually building the shopping list. I'm pretty close. I don't know why I was trying to talk while looking at the code. I have no idea what I'm saying, but basically what I'm working on next is making it so you can add multiple recipes. I built this modal too, right? So you can actually see, these are your recipes and your saved recipes, the ones that you've created. And this can be like expanded. This also doesn't need to be there, but that's how you add recipes to the week. And yeah, so I need to work on, yeah, I guess that's it. I mean, just work on adding multiple recipes, cleaning up the code a bit, figuring out how to handle the recipes in terms of getting them in the shopping list so I can actually spit out a shopping list. And then it's like write the code for the shopping list, and I think I'll be pretty dang close to the most basic version of the MVP, but yeah, this is kind of ridiculous, but it's coming along in terms of my devlog skills. I would not say they're coming along. I just need to figure out how to make these things in a way where I'm not all like tired and brain dead. Or do I even need to make these? I don't know. I mean, 15 people watched it last time, and so let's see if we can beat 15 or 16. We're in a good trajectory. Okay, that's all for now, guys. I'm gonna catch you later.